York baby. New York babies. It's alive. It's just a New York baby. It went to Japan, and now it's here in Arklow. What's that?
Alright. Yeah, sorry.
Serious rapping skills there now.
There's a lot of wheels here, Barry. Holy shit.
They're so good.
I don't know, I don't think all these are on wheels.
So every container brings some good stuff for GTR.
RB26.
That's very nice. Wet Sport SA70. Oh, nice. Hop her out, lad.
8x12.
Fuck, perfect sizes. Oh wow.
Diamond cut.
Boxy.
19s.
LTSW Stealth. Oh man, I've always wanted a set of TSW Stealth. Oh, they're fucking so nice. Yeah. They are the biggest hadrids, Leon hadrids I've ever seen. The size of them, buddy. Tight squeeze here. What are they? Are they like mini? Oh, no way. They are so rare. Look at these. 4x100 mini VSXXs. One thing we know is they absolutely pack everything with precision. Oh man. Absolutely amazing.
There. 10.5, right?
Oh, cool.
I haven't seen a nice set of rings.
Lovely. Nice tires as well. It's weird. No carbon, no nothing. Arms down. Just SSR. Oh, very no cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, that is amazing. Look at it. Do it with your phone. It's
Fuck.
incredible. So these are SSR TF1s with the Spectrum flake color. They're absolutely incredible. Custom ordered, brand new. Ooh,
There.
savage.
Yeah.
Like nice sizes as well.
Oh my god, they're fucking beautiful. Yeah.
Hello.
Plus 10.5 plus 22.
I've never seen a proper size set of them. Okay. These are the only set of these I've ever seen in real life that are in really deep sizes. Usually they're a bit more on the plus side, but I'd imagine these are plus 12 or plus 15. Super.
Fuck. I had that for years.
Yeah, and it even taped back together. Funky Eurolines.
They're very deep. Center cap screw.
Forged as well. Damage the oh, they're all wrapped in like teddy fucking stuff. Nice rug for the back seats of the car.
Holy shit.
So yeah, every now and again we get stuff wrapped in amazing, I don't know, household items. Oh wow. This is so Japanese without even trying. Some guy wrapped his wheels in.
Fucking hell. Be safe. Yeah,
That's so weird.
you really wanted them to be safe.
Make a nice little
Little bear.